everyone, Rachel Jensen here, broker owner of Luna Realty Belize on the beautiful island of Ambergris Caye. It is a beautiful December day as we do our December update here of Aruna. If you are new to the Aruna project, we're located about half a mile west of the San Pedro downtown area. It is a beautiful spot. We're about a 15-minute drive from Secret Beach. There is a road coming down from Secret Beach area to this project here. And since our last video, there has been a ton of progress that's happening here on site. We had a handful of visitors coming down, a handful of owners also coming and seeing the property and making sure that what they decided to own is there, and it's getting up, it's getting constructed, and we're really excited to see all of that. So right now we are located on the amenity dock, and behind me we have the restaurant. There's a new bar that has gone in, which we'll show you that in a moment, and there have been a lot of little finishes that have been added to this exterior area. When you're owning within a development, and here within Belize, you tend to see that a lot of life and living happens outdoors, and so really getting this common area together to be ready for our opening in the next couple of months has really been a critical part of what we've been working on over the last few months here. So you'll see in this area there's just been fine attention to detail, really beautiful bamboo ceilings. You'll look at the bar, you'll see some incredible hardwood that has been integrated in. The landscaping team is here adding more landscaping to the project, and it just really is coming together really, really well. So we're going to show you some updates of what's been going on construction-wise within phase 1, and then also phase 2. We have 5 homes that are going vertical at this point. You'll see a lot of progress. The walls have been going in since the last update that we did, and it's just really neat to start to see this project really come together. As I mentioned, the project is slated to open in the next couple of months. So if you are somebody who is considering ownership here on Ambergris Caye, we are in high season. We're seeing a lot of foot traffic coming here to the island, people who are looking to own real estate. I still think this is one of the best opportunities on the island. Entry pricing starting at $180, going up to, that's for a studio style suite, going up to about $600,000 for a 3-bedroom single standing home with a pool right there on the canal with beautiful views. So some big benefits about owning within this property is that you do have access to Secret Beach, like I mentioned, within 15 minutes. You have a shuttle that goes back and forth from town. It's a shuttle for the community, a boat shuttle back and forth from town. It's about 5 minutes to get into the heart of downtown. There's also owner financing. So if you are somebody who just needs a little bit of financing, that is available to you. And then depending on what you're looking for and when you're looking to own, there are different homes that are in different stages of construction. So you have phase 1 opening in the next couple of months, and then phase 2 is all sold out. But phase 3, we are starting construction at the end of Q1 2024. So you have a little bit more time when it comes to payment schedules and the flexibility with the payments. So a lot of great stuff happening here. I just wanted to share everything with you because there's been a ton going on, and we're really excited for you to get familiar with Aruna. Hopefully come out here and visit and see for yourself everything that's available. So if you would like more information, feel free to click the link below. You can request the full brochure. You'll see that link in the description section of the video. Click that link there and request a brochure. We can send you everything that's available. We can send you pricing, availability, site map, amenities, all that fun stuff that is going to be here on site. So again, my name is Rachel Jensen. We're going to take a look around, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We're happy to get those answered for you. All right, let's go. All right, everyone, I am standing here in the Kokora model. This is the tiny home model, about 1,000 square feet of livable space between the living area, the kitchen area, which is behind me, the veranda. Upstairs is where you have the bedroom area. And then in front of me over here is where you have the full bath, an owner lockout closet, washer, dryer, hookup, and then also an office space. So these homes that are currently under construction are already sold. This is phase two is sold out. However, we are adopting this model into phase 3 because of all the interest there has been in it. It's a great floor plan, a really efficient layout. And if you are looking to do some customizations to it, if you're coming in pre-construction, you're able to do that. So some of the model options for the Kokora upgrade customization options are you can add a plunge pool, so you have your own private plunge pool outside of your veranda. You can add a half a bath or a full bathroom upstairs. So in the middle of the night, you don't have to come down the stairs to use the bathroom. But other things like that where you're really looking to customize, you can do it if you're coming in beforehand. So in addition to that, the frame for a 3-bedroom Udara model is constructed, which is really exciting, and then the foundation for a 2-bedroom. So we'll keep you posted as those home types get erected and you're able to see what it looks like as it's going through the construction process. So if you've been following along, this is about the 2nd month where you're able to see the real progress that's been happening within phase 2, and it's really been going well. It's been exciting to see. It's really neat to see the whole property and the whole phase really come to life. And with phase 2, we are going to be adding extra amenities here to Aruna. So you can expect an outdoor gym, a playground, a pickleball court, which I know is something that's really popular these days. So we're really seeing this property take shape here.